Everyone's welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are exploring a gaming ecosystem that combines fast-paced mobile competition with a purpose-built utility token, Snake Online, powered by MXR Token. This project focuses on player engagement, ecosystem growth, and long-term development rather than short-term hype. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let me clear that this video content is shared for educational and informational purpose only. Should not be considered as financial advice. Always research independently before participating in any project. Snake Online is a modern take on the classic Snake game, rebuilt as a live multiplayer experience. Players jump into active arenas, gather resources, and increase their size in face of a guest competition from across the group in real time. The game includes rack leaderboard, various gameplay modes, responsive controls, and vehicle customization through skin and power-ups. Designed to suit both casual players, the Snake Online game and the MXR token are designed as the connected parts of the ecosystem. Gameplay activity feeds into token system, while the token enhances how players interact with the game. Progress, participation, and events are all tied together through this shared structure. This creates a loop where playing the game supports ecosystem engagement, and ecosystem involvement adds depth to the gameplay experience, encouraging long-term participation from both players and community members. Two can chat out while renting. You can compete with the players worldwide, rise through the ranks and trophies, and become the ultimate state champions. Here you can also check out the ranking, and here you can also check out the other details. Online Snake is available on Google Play Store, and it is also available on the Apple Store. You can download it. Getting started with Snake Online is straightforward. Players can open the Google Play Store or the Apple Store and download the application. Search for a Snake Online and download the app there and right devices. Once installed, you can choose a game mode, enter live matches, and begin competing against players worldwide. The controls are simple to learn, making the game accessible for newcomers while still rewarding scaled. Stage 1, Stage 2, and Stage 3. And here you can also check out the Safety First feature. The Snake Online ecosystem operates on a totally defined and sustained ability to focus token model MXR as a fixed token supply of 1 billion tokens. Weight allocation designed to emphasize community participation. 40% of the supply is reserved specifically for game rewards, reinforcing the project player's centaur approach. All funds generated are planned to be reinvested into ecosystem development, including game improvements, marketing efforts, and liquidity support. With Mint Authority disabled, the supply remains capped, supporting transparency and predictability over time. You can check out the Chromex game reward share: 40% liquidity, 20% tragedy, 15% pre-invested share, 10% presale share, 10% airdrop, 5%. As user funds has also been at play yet. You can check out the detail after the roadmap. Snake Online is positioned to grow beyond a single mobile game into a broader competitive gaming universe. The roadmap is structured across 3 phases. Phase 1 delivered successful launch of own iOS and Android Fair, featuring live multiplayer gameplay and global rankings. The project is progressing into ecosystem expansion fears, introducing token integration and a dedicated marketplace that links gameplay with digital ownership. Future plans include expansion to platforms such as Nintendo Store and smart TVs. The additional title, Haxa Arena, is also in the development and will operate within the same ecosystem, sharing rewards and progressing system with Snake Online. Canning soon feature Haxa Arena MXR is built around a strong unit of default design with ecosystem. The token unlocks access to special game modes, limited time events, and premium cosmetic enhancements that allow players to customize their experience. Beyond gameplay, MXR also enables community involvement through governance features, allowing participation to influence future updates and ecosystem direction. Check out the Telegram community of the MXR. I would like Rick Medelmarios to join the Telegram community, and you can also follow MXR Token on Facebook. And here you can also check out the Snake Online War multiplayer on YouTube. I would like Rick Medelmarios to subscribe the YouTube channel of Snake Online. And here you can also check out MXR Token on Twitter. To follow Twitter, serve as the central hub for communication and updates. Viewers Snake Online and MXR together form an ecosystem that connects competitive mobile gaming with real utility and community participation. With live multiplayer gameplay, a defined token structure, and a forward-looking roadmap. Feel free to like and share the video, subscribe my YouTube channel so others can discover it as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next upload. Take care.